beginning of 2023.
Is that correct?
Correct. Yes.
And your investigation, did it uncover any evidence that Ms. Benning was trying to self-harm herself or her unborn baby?
No.
Did it reveal the opposite?
Yes.
And specifically, what you're looking for in the apartment, were you expecting to find a bottle of poison sitting out on the counter?
No.
Your investigation, did it reveal that Ms. Benning wanted to be in a relationship with Mr. Taylor?
Yes.
And when she asked you if Mr. Taylor had said anything inconsistent, you reviewed the body-worn camera footage and his statements to the officers and Detective Smith at the hospital. Is that correct?
Yes.
And specifically, he told them that she threw up. I called my dad. And,
Testifying and reading the witness.
Will that be rule of objection?
and I called 911, correct?
That's correct.
And you had information to the contrary. Isn't that correct?
Objection, she's leading the witness. This is not
Okay, I don't, you want to rephrase your question about what you're meaning?
Did Mr. Taylor tell you any of the statements that Nigea Jackson told you that she heard Jade Benning say to Mr. Taylor on that call, that 6-minute and 9-second call?
No, when I spoke to him, he omitted that until I specifically asked about it.
Did he omit it not only to you, but to every officer that spoke to him?
Yes, every body camera footage that I reviewed, he omitted that.
So that was not consistent in any way, shape, or form.
That's correct. So the statement he volunteered.
That's where you get into
Yes.
15 other questions.
And the 911 call specifically contradicted that, because on the 911 call, he said that Ms. Benning was throwing up at the end of the call. When everything else he said before is she threw up, I called my dad, I called
She's
911.
testifying.
Okay, hang on. What is your question, if you can narrow it down a little bit?
My question is, you had information to the contrary, correct?
Yes. Well, I'm sorry. Could you rephrase that? I'm sorry.
Your question.
Detective Reese, on the 911 call, he said that's when she threw up, correct?
Yes, I remember hearing him say she threw up on the 911 call.
And he told the officers, all three of them at the hospital, she threw up, I called my dad, then I called 911.
That's correct.
And Your Honor, if I can show Detective Reese a portion of exhibit with Tom Miller, it is exhibit 29. This is that 6-minute
Oh,
and
you got it up? Okay.
6-minute and 9-second call that Ms. Benning calls Nigea Jackson. It ends at 9:35:36, and the 911 call is placed at 9:38:58.
Correct.
The next page in this exhibit, can you describe what is shown here?
On that line number 427, that was a phone call placed from Mr. Taylor's phone to a number that I determined belonged to his father for a duration of about 30 seconds.
And can you point to the line item and read out the last 4 digits of the phone number that Mr. Taylor's phone called?
6766.
And can you read out the specific time that that call was placed?
9:38, which is 21:38.
9:38 and 13 seconds, is that correct?
Oh, yes, correct, in the 13
Can
seconds.
you circle it, and can you please explain the next column that has the UTC time?
Yes.
And
So-
you have the 911 call is at the exact time of 9:38:58, correct?
Yes, that's the one right below it. And the explanation for the UTC time, phone records, many of the records kept by social media companies, most of the electronic digital records we get from companies, all the time is kept in UTC because UTC does not change, and it's universal coordinated time. When we're in our winter months, our time here locally is 6 hours behind UTC.
Okay, but it is 9:38:58 when 911 is called, and Mr. Taylor calls his dad at 9:38:13, correct?
Correct.
And the call with Miss Jackson is at 9:35:36, correct?
Yes.
I'm sorry, can we take that part down?
Detective Reese, you were asked about different types of drugs in your conversations with the toxicologist. Did you specifically speak with the toxicologist in this case, as well as Dr. Carney, about liquid cocaine?
Yes, we talked about.
And did
Okay.
they provide you with information about that?
I did receive some, I guess you could say Dr. Carney kind of educated me on cocaine toxicity.
Did you talk to Dr. Brugaleri and the other crime lab people about liquid cocaine and its connection to the evidence in this case?
Yes.
And did you speak to them as well as research whether or not liquid cocaine was a lethal substance?
I did research about it.
And what did your investigation reveal about if you put liquid cocaine in someone's drink?
That it is highly dangerous.
And when you say dangerous, what do you mean?
It can cause severe medical consequences. It listed off various things, but it seemed anything from serious medical problems to death.
And her questioning included asking you about an affidavit. That affidavit was from March 6th of 2023. Is that correct? Just the date of the affidavit.
Yes.
And that was very early on in the investigation, wasn't it, Detective Reese?
Yes. That
Have
was
you
very-
done multiple follow-up interviews since then and additional information?
Yes.
And all of the information that you have obtained and all of the interviews you have done with Ms. Jackson, have you been able to corroborate every piece of the information she provided that night?
Yes.
And additionally, have you been able to corroborate Ms. Diddy and the information that she provided?
Yes.
And you were contacted by a defense investigator before Mr. Taylor moved away from Nashville, Tennessee. Is that correct?
I don't recall being contacted by defense